Hi, this video shows what's going wrong when you're developing an Angular application and the site comes up like this one whenever you start with a localhost 8080. So I will show you the error. The solution is quite simple. First we are in our folder like this one here. Then we say, okay, we do a new terminal, and now we say ng new. So we create a new app and test start. Wrong start. So you see CSS will come up. Do you want to enable server-side rendering? Yes or no, doesn't matter. Now system is installed. You see this one, we go in there, we say open an integrated terminal, and now we say, okay, we're going to start run, and you said there's an error, this is the wrong one, but it doesn't matter. We say here, go to web Chrome, use a web Chrome, and then we say there's already something running. We say run, start debug, and now comes the wrong side. So what was going wrong? It is very simple. We forgot to say in our terminal ng serve ng serve was the problem. So we say ng serve, which creates the building. That's the point. And then when the building comes up, then we have the localhost 4200. So we say localhost 402,000, and this is our new app.